In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix failed transaction on UniSwap. If your swap keeps failing or getting stuck, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you identify the cause and get your trade through smoothly. First, open the official UniSwap app in your browser. Always double check the URL to be sure you're on the legitimate site before you connect a wallet or approve anything. Once the app loads, look to the top right and click the profile icon. This panel is where you'll see your connected wallet status and quick links that matter for troubleshooting. Next, click Buy Crypto. A lot of failed transactions come down to a simple issue, not having enough of the network's native token to pay gas. For example, on Ethereum, you'll need ETH for gas, even if you're swapping a different token. Use the buy flow to top up the correct native asset on the chain you're using so your wallet can cover the network fees. Before you try again, make sure you have enough for it not to fail. That means covering three things: the token amount you want to swap, the estimated gas fee, and a small buffer for price movement, or an approval step if it's your first time swapping a token. If your balance leaves you with almost nothing after fees, leave a little extra so the transaction doesn't run short. Now open the UniSwap wallet extension at the top right of your browser. Confirm the extension is connected to the same network you're using in the UniSwap app. A mismatch can cause failures or confusing estimates. Inside the extension, go to Activity and check the reason your last transaction failed. The error message is your best clue. Insufficient funds means you didn't hold enough of the native token for gas or enough of the token you're selling. Fee too low or similar language suggests your gas settings were below current network conditions. You might also see errors related to token approvals or price moving beyond your allowance. Finally, make sure you have enough gas fee for the retry. Gas prices fluctuate with network demand, so give yourself a reasonable max fee and priority fee. If the network is busy, either increase your gas settings to match the current estimate or wait for congestion to drop and try again. Keeping a modest buffer of the native token in your wallet helps avoid repeated failures. Recap: open UniSwap, access your profile, use Buy Crypto to top up, verify you have enough balance, review the failure reason and activity, and ensure your gas fee matches current conditions. With these checks, your next transaction should go through confidently.